Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this half black and white and half colorful kind of inspired video. Wandavision inspired video. So copy and paste your video and go to filters and search for the black and white filter. And you're just going to apply to either video. Whoops. And then just select mask and you're just going to select horizontal and you're going to half it. Then to make it more seamless, you're just going to select this and blend it out. And you'll have like a half black and white video. If you want that to be featured on later, you can just add in a keyframe here. Select your line and put it to the left, and then in the middle you're just going to move the line in the middle so it looks like there's like a black and white filter applying on only the left side. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!